It is rightly said that you cannot put same shoe on every foot. Thus, like every person is unique, so unique is their foot and footwear requirements. It is well known fact that using wrong type of footwear like high heels, narrow shoes can not only lead to the back pain or knee pain but also hamper shoe posture. On that same note, using right orthotics can correct your posture plus also safeguard your knee and back as well. Hi, I'm Dr. Sarika Jambulkar, practicing podiatry since past 10 years, and I'm so glad to introduce first of its kind course on podiatry. The course key features are it is in online along with the offline mode, so anywhere sitting across anywhere in India can attend it. Course will be complete brainstorming about the lower limb biomechanics and pathomechanics as well. Will completely simplify your gait assessment. Will also provide complete guidance about how you can include this in your existing practice. This will also help to boost your revenue, and also there will be ongoing expert support. To know more, you can contact on below mentioned number and email us. See you there.